Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Here I am drawing one more flower. Flower outline was completed. Now I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Draw this design. Here I am drawing one more flower. Draw the small flower like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw this design. Draw like a frame. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color paints? Comment on comment section. Draw the line like this. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this space with the yellow color brush pen. Here I am using black color colored pencil. I am shading with black color pencil. Shade like this. Same color repeat here. If you want, you can use normal pencil or black color crayon. Here I am using orange color brush pen. Fill this flower with orange color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this flower with red color brush pen. Here I am using green color highlighter. Fill this shape with green color highlighter. If you want, you can use any other colors. Brush pen, color pen, sketch pen, whatever you want. Here I am using dark green color brush pen. Fill this leaf shape with dark green color brush pen. Now I am using light blue color pencil. I am shading with light blue color pencil. Shade like this. I am using light blue color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors, crayon, eye pastel, whatever you want. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. I am drawing leaf shape. Here one more leaf. Again same leaf here. Follow me on Instagram. Link given in the description box. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Now I am drawing flower. Draw the flower like this. Flower was completed. Now I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. One more leaf here. Draw like this. Now I am using black color pencil. I am shading with black color pencil. If you want, you can use black color crayon or oil pastel. I am using colored pencil. You can use normal pencil also. Draw like this. Same color repeat here. Shade like this. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for notifications. Like this. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this one shape with blue color brush pen. Here I am using red color brush pen. Fill this flower with red color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Fill like this. I am using green color highlighter. Fill this leaf shape with green color highlighter. Fill like this. Draw the design like this. I am using scale and black color sketch pen. Draw the line with scale and black color sketch pen. Draw like a frame. And leaf shape. Fill like this. Now I am using light blue color pencil. I'm shading with light blue color pencil.
Thank you so much for watching.
Shade
Support
like
me
that.
by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.
This was completed.